Most people think, if I pay this collection, it should disappear from my credit report. That sounds fair, but credit does not always work that way. Paying a negative item can help in real ways, but it does not always delete the item, erase the history, or make your score jump right away. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Understand how paid and unpaid items affect credit. Learn the impact of settled collections on approvals. Discover strategies to improve your credit profile. Find out what paying debts can really do, and get tips on negotiating settlements effectively. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Deleted item. The item was removed from the credit report. Now let's jump in. Credit is not just a score. It is a risk profile. That means your report tells a story about how you handle money. Lenders, landlords, banks, insurers, and other companies may read that story. A paid negative item may still be negative, but it can look better than an unpaid one to a real person reviewing your file. An unpaid collection means the debt still shows as owed. A paid collection means you paid the full amount, and the balance should update to zero. A settled collection means you made a deal to pay less than the full amount. The debt may be resolved, but the report may say settled for less, paid for less, or something similar. A charge-off is when the original creditor, like a bank or credit card company, gives up on collecting through normal billing and marks the account as a serious loss. That does not always mean you no longer owe it. A paid charge-off means the balance was paid. A settled charge-off means it was resolved for less than the full amount. Paying can still help, even if the score does not jump. It may lower the debt you owe, stop collection calls, reduce legal risk, help with manual underwriting, help with an apartment approval, help with mortgage conditions, and update the balance to zero. A human reviewer may see paid and feel less worried than if it still looks unpaid. Here is the part to remember. Paying does not always delete the item. It does not always remove the old late payments. It does not always remove the original creditor account. It does not always restore your score right away. Think of it like paying a library fine. The fine may be gone, but the record may still show it happened.